So I have no internet. The power's not gone. The internet is gone. The internet is gone. The internet is gone. So I was gonna watch my YouTube videos, and I was gonna say this one question. You guys never heard me say this before, but I'm gonna be posting every Monday and Wednesday. I'm gonna be posting every Monday and Wednesday. Well, this sucks. I have no internet. We moved. This is the new house, I guess, but this is not my room. My room is even bigger than this. This is my mom's room. My room is even bigger. You know that room when I was doing this, like this, and you saw my mommy, and that was my room. And I live in Germantown, so okay. Now I have internet. Why did I do that? Oh, I have 10%. Oh, I'm ending this video. I hope you guys like and subscribe. But if you don't, I'm gonna tell my. I'm not call my mom mommy. I call her mom. So I'll tell my mom. Peace.